Today we are discussing about read file queuing model. So in the queuing model, one of the method is characteristic of queuing model. So in the characteristic of queuing model, we have some Poisson queues. So in the Poisson queues, we have to be today discuss about first model m/m/m hyphen first in first out infinity bar infinity. Today we are discussing about model 1. So last class we have discussed about what is a queuing model, what are the characteristics that, how we have to be used in real time. Today we are discussing about model 1 m/m/1 and first out infinity/infinity. This is called single server queuing model m/m/1 Poisson. So here a single server infinity any number of capacity. This is called single server. First one is we have general queuing model. What is a general queuing model? Means a/b/c hyphen colon bracket d/e/f. What is the meaning of that? So what is the meaning of in a general queuing model? A is a arrival time distribution, and B is a service time distribution, and C is a number of parallel service channel in the system, and D is a service discipline. Service discipline means either the queue will be first in first out, or first come first serve, or last in first out, or last come first out, and service in random access. There are different types of service disciplines there. Whatever the service disciplines are, we have to be use this method and we can solve it. And E, what is the meaning of E? Means minimum number of customer allowed in a queue, and F, calling the service of operation. Okay. First one, what is a service utilization? Service utilization, we have to be use this formula P equal to lambda by mu, and second one is Pn. Pn means Pn bracket 1 minus P. Here PO is the number of customer in the system, and the third one is what is a N. N is a number of customer in the system, and P equal to lambda by mu. Lambda means arrive the rate, number of arrives per unit. Mu means service late, number of customer being second in a unit time, and P equal to lambda by mu means busy period or traffic intensity, and LS means average expected number of customer in a system. Waiting plus service is given by average expected number of customer in a system. Waiting plus service is given by LS lambda by mu by lambda, or we have to use LS E by 1 minus mu. In this two formula we can use any one of this formula. Here LQ means average expected number of customer in the queue, and average number of customers we have to use LQ means lambda square by mu minus mu power bracket of mu minus lambda, or we are using for LQ T square divided by 1 minus q, or we have to be used in this three formula. We can use any one. LQ is going to LS minus q, and we have to find out LW. LW means average expected number of customer in a non-empty queue. The non-empty queue means we have to find out LW, and LW average number of customer from times to time in a queue, and it is equal to average number of customer in a queue exceeding in a time to empty queue. For this three condition we can apply for LW. Here LW or LN. So we can use any one. N equal to mu by lambda. LW means average expected waiting time of the customer in a system, and LW means 1 by mu minus lambda, or WS means 1 into lambda LS. Here WQ means average expected waiting time to customer in a queue. This is customer. W means system, WQ means Q. There is a difference between WS and WQ. WQ means lambda divided by mu minus lambda, or WQ means 1 by lambda. into LQ. Probability that the waiting time of the cost in the system expected is T, P power bracket of Ws less than or equal to T, E power of nu minus lambda power of T. So what is a relationship between average Q length and the average? Relationship between the average Q length and the average waiting time written for, this is a formula. We have to use LS is equal to lambda by mu minus lambda, LQ is equal to lambda square mu bracket of mu minus lambda whole square, WQ is equal to lambda divided by mu minus lambda, Ws is equal to 1 by mu minus lambda. It is an example program of first model. A TV repairman finds the time spent on his job as an exponential distribution with mean 30 minutes. If he repair the set in the order in which they came in, and if the arrived of set of its approximately Poisson with an average rate of 10 per 8 hours day, with an average rate of 10 per 8 hours per day, what is a repairman expected ideal time? We have to find out ideal time in each time. How many jobs are ahead of average set? Just got it. So in this problem we have to find out ideal times and how many minutes to solve this TV repairman. So first one solution, we have to find out arrival rate. What is arrival rate? Arrival rate lambda equal to 10 TV set per 8 hours per day, already in question, and service rate mu equal to 16 per day. So we know about lambda means arrival rate, and lambda equal to 10, and mu means service rate. Service rate means we have to find out we have to convert into minutes. 1 by 30 into minutes. Here 1 by 30 is the customer arrived distribution with 30 minutes. So we have to be converted into minutes. 1 by 30 into minutes means 60 minutes into 8 per day. 8 hours is spent. So we are converted into mu equal to 16 TV. And we find out P. What is a P? Means lambda by Q. It is a 10 by 16 equal to probability of 6.265, and first one is we have to be find out the probability of the repair to be ideal. PO means number of customer in a system. Number of customer in a system, PO 1 minus P. Already we find out P value 0 minus 625. So the probability of the repair to be ideal in 0.35. Then the expected ideal time is 8 hours is there, no? 8 hours is there, no? 8 hours into, we have to be multiple by this value. Hence the expected ideal time is 3 hours. And second one is we have to find out expected number of TV set in a system. This is formula LS P minus 1 by T. Already we have find out the P value 6 minus 25. 1 minus 6 minus 25 means 6.625 divided by 0.35, 1.666. 1.666 around we have to be write down 2. This is another example program. A self-service store employee, 1 cashier at the counter, 9 customers arrive on an average every 5 minutes, while the cashier can serve 10 customers in a 5 minutes. Assume the Poisson distribution for arrival rate and exponential for the service. First one is we have to find out average number of customers in a system. This is called LS. Second one is we have to find average number of customers in a queue, LQ. And third one is we have to find out average number of customers spent in the system, WS, and average time a customer spent in a queue. So we have to find out these 4 solution. First one is lambda. Lambda means arrival rate. Arrival rate means 9 divided by 5 into minutes. It's called 1.8 minutes. And mu means service rate 2 minutes 1.8 means it should be 2 minutes. So P means probability means lambda by mu. 1.8 divided by 2 it will be 0.9 is considered as a 1. And first one is average number of customer in a system, LS. The formula will be lambda divided by mu minus lambda. So before that we have to find out what is the value of lambda. 1.8, mu value will be 2 and lambda value will be 1 by 8. So 1.8 divided by 0.2, 9 customer. The answer average number of customer in a system, 9 customer in a system. And second one is an LS, or we can use this formula P by 1 by P. And LQ means lambda square by mu minus lambda. 1.8 whole square. Second one is we have to find out average number of customer in a Q. LQ formula will be lambda square divided by mu bracket of mu minus lambda. 1.8 whole square, 2 into 2 minus 1 8. This answer will be 8.1. And third one is we have to find out average time a customer spend in a system. What is the average time a customer spend in a system means WS equal to 1 by lambda LS. 1 into lambda value will be 1.8. LS value will be customer in the service system is 9. It will be 5 minutes. What is the time? Average time a customer spend in a system is 5 minutes. Fourth, we have to find out average time a customer spend in a queue. What is the time a customer spend in a queue means WQ 1 by lambda LQ 1 divided by 1.8 into 8.1. So it will be 4.5 minutes. 4.5 minutes the customer will be spent in a queue. Thank you. This is we are discuss about queuing model, first model. Thank you.